Okay, today we're gonna open up the graphics kit for the Sur-Ron bike.
Red Bull.
We're Red Bull. Well, we think it's Red Bull.
Yeah.
It's really hard to tell. So we're gonna pull out the plastic. Ooh, check that out. That's cool. Now that we know what we have, we'll bring the bike up into the kitchen, set it on the countertop, and put them on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Okay, guys, we've got all the graphics out. We don't know where everything goes. We're gonna try to figure that out, but it's gonna be interesting. A lot of cool graphics here. Red Bull, Arma. Shoot, I don't even know half these brands, but pretty cool.
What we're doing here is we're gonna take some lacquer thinner and just dip it, put a little on a rag here, and don't want to make it too heavy, but just wipe all the surface. It gets dust, dirt, grease, anything that makes the graphics not stick. We're removing. Aha! It burns the cuts. So we're gonna wipe all that. Not sure where everything goes. We're just gonna hit it all.
Alright, now I have to carry the bike up. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just push it to the stairs, and then once I get to the stairs, I'm just gonna carry it. Oh, this is gonna be kind of difficult. It's a 100-pound bike. Battery's out of it, so maybe 80 pounds, but it's still heavy. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. That's gonna be really hard.
You bringing it?
I don't think you realize how heavy this bike is. These stairs are straight up and down.
We could take it in the
mudroom?
Yeah.
Okay, right now we're looking for what the graphics look like. We don't know where to put them, so we're gonna find that. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
If we Google it, maybe. Okay, so we have the graphics. We found the purchase, the graphics. We're gonna try to match it with what we have. It's a lot of them. We're gonna try it though without messing it up. We're kind of like a puzzle, isn't it?
It is. Oh boy.
What?
Well, see, it just doesn't quite fit exactly how it should.
Why?
Well, you know, not sure. Does it go like that? Or does it go around that?
I don't know.
See? Like that, and then bend over. Ah, lick. Hey, Bulldog. So we know that goes there. There's a lot of uncertainty here. Let's look at the picture.
The dog really helps.
Oh yeah, she helps a lot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Like so?
Yeah. Think that'll work?
I don't know. Do you think it will?
Sure.
Yeah. I don't know what else. We know these go here, right?
I mean, if they all line up, right? All the words and stuff. I think it's right. Alright, how's it look?
Looks great.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
We need to put this one on, finish out the sun.
Okay.
Let's see, it goes about right there.
Yeah, that works. Does that fit right there?
Yeah, I think we want to be like that. This one's gonna be hard to put on.
Yeah, it might. I gotta lay down for it.
Yeah. This one's not gonna be easy.
No, I think you can do it
This
though.
one's gonna be hard.
You can do it.
There's a lot of places where it needs to go.
Okay. Ooh, wow. That looks tricky.
Yeah, this is tricky. There's a lot of bends.
Does it fit?
This might be for the other side. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the fenders. We're just gonna trim up the decals a little bit. Might stick them on, put them down, and then maybe take a razor blade and trim them off right there. I think that looked pretty sharp. We could do some trimming on there too, I guess.
Yeah, we could.
Look good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is basically the finishing touch of the Cole graphic kit, Red Bull Cole graphic kit. I think we got it off of Amazon, right?
Yeah.
It was
You can
Amazon.
get it off eBay too.
eBay, Amazon. Yeah, this is
They're
it.
going pretty good, actually. They stick really nice.
Yeah.
And they bend. They make all the shapes. And I think. I mean, I've only got one bubble right there. One little tiny bubble is all I got in the whole thing. And sometimes when you put decals on, like quad fenders and motorcycle fenders, you get giant decal bubbles. But
Yeah.
these, I like.
Yeah.
They're good.
Looks really good too.